Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have some super fun and healthy snack ideas that your kids will love. I'm sharing a mix of sweet and savory snacks that are easy to make, packed with nutrition and perfect for any time of the day. Let's dive right in. First up, one of my absolute favorite snacks, baked sweet potatoes. They're a healthy, easy to make treat that both adults and kids will enjoy. Here's how I make them. Take two big sweet potatoes and chop them into chunky pieces. Wash them thoroughly, then strain the water well. Lay them out on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Next, drizzle a couple of tablespoons of oil all over sweet potatoes. I'm using coconut oil, but you can use any other oil of your choice. Then sprinkle some peri peri powder and salt and give it all a good mix. Now pop them into the oven, bake at 360 degrees for about 20 minutes. You will know when they are done, when they are soft and slightly crispy. Even though they might not look super fancy, trust me, they are so delicious and packed with nutrition. You can also make them in air fryer if that's easier. Must try snack right here. Next up, we've got some fun snack that's perfect for getting those veggies into your kids. This is a pizza bread recipe. It's a little indulgent, but it's a great way to sneak some nutrition in. You'll need some bread slices, tomato sauce, shredded cheese, and whatever veggies your kids like, bell peppers and tomatoes, etc. Now spread the tomato sauce on the bread, layer on the veggies and top with cheese. Pop it in the oven for a few minutes until the cheese melts. It's very simple, but your kids will love it. You can also make it on the stove. On the pan, you can add some water underneath and cover it until the cheese melts. I have added the full recipe on my YouTube shorts. I will leave the link in the description for you to check out. Alright, now let's move on to something super simple and healthy, banana oats cookies. This one's been a trial and error for me, but I finally got it right. You'll need some ripe bananas, some oats and peanut butter, vanilla essence, and a little bit of milk for consistency. First, mash up the banana in a bowl, then add in oats, peanut butter, and vanilla essence. Mix it all really well. If the mixture is too thick, add a little bit of milk to loosen it up. Scoop the dough onto the baking tray in whatever shape you like. I love making little rounds. Bake them 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. They come out chewy, yummy, and super healthy. Perfect for a snack or even a breakfast option. Up a savory snack, Peri Peri makhana. This one is super simple and so tasty. Start by adding ghee into a pan and then toss in the makhanas, fox nuts, roast them until they are nice and crispy. Once that's done, add some peri peri powder and salt to taste and give everything a good mix. And that's it, a crunchy, flavorful snack that's both delicious and healthy. Your kids will love it, and it's perfect for munching while they're watching their favorite show as well. And last but not the least, we have dry fruit laddus. This is a great snack that's full of healthy and natural sweetness. For this, you'll need almonds, cashews, and some pitted dates. I've soaked the dates already, so now I'm going to roast 1 cup of almonds and 1 cup of cashews. Let them cool down and then add them into the mixer to grind. You can make it as fine as you like or leave it a bit crunchy if your kids prefer some crunch. Once it's ground, knead it into a dough. I like to add a little bit of ghee for extra flavor and smoothness, but if you prefer, you can leave it out. You can also add other dry fruits or seeds for added nutrition. Form a dough into small laddus and they are ready to enjoy. These are great snack for boosting energy and are naturally sweet. Thanks for the dates. And that's it for today's video. 5 easy, healthy and delicious snacks that your kids will absolutely love. From savory to sweet, there's something for everyone. I hope you give this a try and let me know in the comments which one your little ones liked. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.